It's January 8th, 2024. Most of the flowers from the Christmas cactus have opened. I believe this is the second year that we're seeing flowers from this plant. I'll give you some closer look of the flowers. Here is the mini oncidium. As you can see, most of the flowers have faded. These flowers doesn't last too long. And here's the mini dendrobium. You can see most of the flowers have opened. Last but not least, we have the odontocidium. The flowers on this second flower spike are still forming. I think they should be open probably in a week or so.